I'm locked out of my house!
I was wondering how long this would take.
What are you talking about?
I sold it. I had some family emergencies. I needed money fast.
Wait, let me get this straight. You sold my house? I let you live there for free, and this is how you repay me?
It was for a good cause. My mom wanted a BBL, and my dad needed a new car.
So you made me homeless to buy your family stuff? What the f is wrong with you?
Why are you so mad? I thought you loved me.
You're insane. How much did you sell it for?
I sold it for 15 million. That's great, right?
What the f? 15 million? It's only worth like 500K.
Yeah, I sold it to an Iranian family. They were so happy for some reason. 15 million Iranian real.
No f***ing way. Are you stupid? That's like $300.
Wait, actually, I'm sorry, babe. Please forgive me.
No.
I'm just a girl.
We're done.
You're breaking up with me over this? Just a silly little mistake.
Of course I am. You made me homeless. We're done.
Just be a man. You have a job. Just work for another house.
Fine.
It's not that hard.
Okay.
What are you planning? Why are you so okay with this? Hello?
Say hello to your new owner.
What do you mean, owner?
Since you like to sell stuff, I had a good idea. I sold you. You now have 8 Iranian husbands. They all love younger women. He looks forward to seeing you.
Babe, I don't want to do that. Please don't do this to me.
It's too late. I signed the contract. They will be there to collect you soon.
Babe, I'm sorry. I was just a silly girl. I didn't mean it. Please don't do this.
Womp to the